Fix image previews and thumbnails in Explorer on Windows 7. Image files used to show as thumbnails in the Explorer window, and a larger preview could be seen in the Preview pane, Alt+P. Now for some unknown reason, I just see a default image icon in both the Explorer view and the Preview pane. I have to double-click an image to view it. Any ideas on what setting changed that removed the thumbnails and previews?
Also, I had some thumbs.db files get corrupted for network drives, and on local drives Windows 7 stores all the thumbs in one central DB at the cache is stored at %user_profile %\local/app/Microsoft/Windows/Explorer as a number of files with the label thumbcake_xxx.db. I normally use something like CCleaner to clean the cache files out. If that doesn't work, I've had programs hijack the file association, and that killed the Windows thumb generation. That is a little more complex, and I had a hard time solving that. Hope this helps.
The solution which worked for me. 1. Head over to Start Search, type cpedit.masterofscience and hit Enter. This will open up Windows Local Group Policy Editor where you need to navigate to the following key. 2. User configuration is greater than administrative templates is greater than Windows components is greater than Windows Explorer. 3. Find, turn off the display of thumbnails and only display icons, key, right-click it, and hit Edit. 4. Select to disable the function, and hit OK. Other solutions which might work for you. Please note I tried out several other solutions first, which can be found elsewhere on this site under the topic Windows 7, image thumbnails fail to appear. None of those solutions worked for me, and when in particular trying out the solution involving the task manager, killing Explorer.exe and deleting the .db files via runcmd, the system did not allow me to delete the .db files, access denied. In my quest to find a solution to fix that, I came across an instruction on addictivetips.com to turn off caching of thumbnail pictures in Windows 7, and in the local group policy editor I noticed that next to turn off caching of thumbnail pictures, there is also the option, turn off the display of thumbnails and only display icons, which, in my case, was enabled. I turned it off, and voila, finally my thumbnails are back.
I tried everything and no luck. Until I associated the JPGs with Windows Media Library. Now they display the images.
Go to my computer, then right-click on local disk, C:/drive and go to Properties, and then click on the Disk Cleanup button. Make sure the thumbnails box is checked and hit OK. For tried everything under the sun, and clearing the cache for thumbnails worked for me. Windows 7 Ultimate.
I've noticed the same thing with mine. However, I played around with it and got it to work. Here is what I did. I created a new folder in OneDrive. Opened Windows Explorer. Multi-selected 20 pictures and dragged them into the folder. Only a few pictures showed thumbnails. The rest were missing. I clicked the View Items in a List button. I can see that the files were uploaded and in the folder. Okay, so we're good. I clicked View Items as Thumbnail Previews button. Still broken. I closed the folder and reopened it. Still broken. I hit F5, refresh, button. Hooray! Thumbnails are there. The files were a mixture of .jpg and .png files. If I remember correctly, The .jpg files immediately showed up as thumbnails while the .png files did not. I could be wrong on that though. Hopefully, this helps someone. Brian.